Good morning. We are still in Nha Trang. Nha Trang? How do you say it properly? I'll say it better. How do you say it?
Nha Trang.
Okay. Yeah, I think I did it good.
Something like that.
I just can't get the accents right. But I'm opening up the blinds to this beautiful view. It's another gloomy day, guys. I don't know what to tell you. We only had gloomy days since we've been here. Let all the good vibes in. Yeah, it really just rained all day. It's not like Mexico. Mexico was like rain really hard for like 30 minutes and then the whole day is like it never happened. Like really sunny, all that. But yeah, here it's just like on and off rain all day. So it's kind of like no sun all day. But we are really making the most of it, which I love. But today it's Justin's birthday. Justin is our friend's son. And he's turning 4, the little boy that's probably been in some of the earlier vlogs. He's really cute. And the Airbnb host, I talked to her and I'm like, we're having a little birthday day. Do you have decorations? Do you know someone that can get a cake for us? And she said, yeah, I can get all that for you. So downstairs, they're just setting up the birthday decorations and everything. We're gonna have, I guess, a birthday breakfast because they're setting up breakfast as well right now. Complimentary breakfast. I talked to one of the other workers. They said that Airbnb host also has a restaurant around here. So she offers complimentary breakfast every morning to all her villas. She has 4 villas in this area. So that's really cool. I'll leave her information down below if you guys want to talk to her and book with her because she's so nice. And yeah, so I'm going to take you guys downstairs and we'll see what is set up because I really don't have any idea. I was just like, yeah, he's a 4-year-old boy. I said he likes Paw Patrol, but she said they can't really do a Paw Patrol cake. I don't think they have that stuff here for cakes. I don't know. But I said just get it as close as you can. Like, he's 4. He's gonna love it either way. But yeah, let's see how they did on the decorations and stuff. I don't even know how much it is. She didn't tell me yet, but yeah, we're just going with the flow today. We were gonna go to Vin Wonders, which is, I'll show you where it is. Really close. You can even see the sign. But it's raining, so I don't know if they still want to do that. Anyways, yeah, let's go downstairs and see what's going on. I can hear something's happening down there. I think everyone's still sleeping. Good morning. Oh my gosh, what the?
The cake will come at 8.
Okay, that's so cute. Oh, no way. So cute. Oh, what's this?
Yeah, it's like.
Oh, thank you. Did you do that? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Wow, look how awesome that is. This is so fun. Just getting some breakfast ready. Yep, definitely raining. I love this pool. This is one of the reasons why I chose this place for the fams. This is like the one place I was kind of in charge of for everybody. And then Kim did the other big place too. So yeah, cake is coming at 8. I'll come back down for that to see what it looks like. Guys, she just told me that the cake and decorations are free. What? You guys have to meet her if you guys come here and book with her because she's so nice. I'm obviously gonna give them something because that's just crazy. Okay, happy birthday, boy. Mama Maria Pizzeria. Happy birthday, Justin.
This is his birthday.
He has to focus on the stairs right now. Hi, Mila. Good morning, girl. How was your sleep? Good. That's his thing. His whole trip. Mamma Mia Pizzeria.
We've been to that
Since he ate the pizza at the hot pot, right?
Mamma Mia Pizzeria.
Wow, what is this decoration?
Look.
Look, that's it. Yeah.
Justin.
It's your birthday, Justin.
Happy birthday, Justin.
It says happy birthday, Justin.
Just up close.
You like it? Oh. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Say, it's my birthday.
And my birthday.
Woohoo.
Woohoo!
I'm turning 4.
Turning
Look at that hat.
What is cool bubbles?
So cool, eh?
Mamma mia, pizza mia.
Mamma mia, pizza mia.
Yeah.
So fun. Whoa. This guy almost fell. Oh, it has number 4 too. Happy 4th birthday, Justin. You're 4 now. You're not 3 anymore. Okay. Okay. Uncle's gonna take a picture of you. Stand there. So this is the cake. Oh, you can see it. Oh my god, you can see it. Oh, they did do pop. Oh, so cute. Breakfast ready. Morning. Look at everyone's breakfast. This host is so nice. Like, this is all complimentary. That's so nuts. What did you order?
Eggs, sausage, bacon, pancake, banana, café soda.
You can order coconut too. Look at that fresh coconut right there that I ordered. And then I got cha.
Go eat your food.
Cutie over there. Or if anyone wants
It's like
to
a dad. Can't wait to start picking at everything.
he already got something. Wow, you like it, Justin? Aw.
Right here?
Yeah, sure. Okay. Let's blow the candle first, okay? Wow, happy. It says happy birthday, Justin.
Happy birthday to you. Wait, where's his hat?
Oh yeah.
Happy birthday, dear Justin. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Are you gonna cut it? Everybody eat, he says. Look, he's setting it up. He's setting it up. There you go.
Thank you.
You guys want to taste the cake?
You gotta try Vietnam cake. Hey guys, come get it. Let me know how it tastes. If the batter is like nice and moist and fragrant.
We need the details before we take a bite.
Oh my god, I haven't had this type of cake in so long.
Is it good?
So good.
It's like an airy, light
The
cake.
batter is really good. This is so much better than what Canada has.
Justin, you like it? Mila, you like it?
This is how the cake should be.
Oh wow, that's very good.
It's really good.
Mocha sweet. If you can see it, yeah. Woo! The view is so much clearer today. Here's our ride. We're off to explore. Back at Nha Trang Center, baby. Look at Mila. She is a queen. We're gonna go back to the hot pot place that we were at last night. We have more people with us, and it was really good. So I'm actually happy about that. Look at this guy. Wow. Wow, he's got the moves. You guys are together.
Peach tea and chicha seeds, whatever.
The Big Brothers.
That sounds like
Dairy Queen here.
Dairy Queen have hot dogs.
I'm here trying this again. Tiger's gonna try it.
You get an iPhone?
Justin said it.
How many is he getting?
I don't know. 2? Yeah.
My calculator.
Sunglasses.
Foldable though. That's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. Packaging. Wow. Okay, that's a really good one. Let's see. Magic alone, exactly. Wow. Whoa. I wonder what it smells like.
That's a good one for me,
I'm gonna multitask. I'm on fire, baby. I'm on fire, baby.
Look at me looking. Oh, that's
My foldable.
the foldable ones are kind of cool. Okay, these are the other glasses that they want. OG status right there. You have to get so close to the camera.
Look at that.
I'm buying syrup.
It's gonna give her 100.
He fought for 80, but he's like, I'm just gonna give her 100. We got stuck pushing the stroller.
Yeah, what the heck?
Our friend's
She's
stroller.
like, you want to buy something for the baby? I'm like, I don't have a baby.
There's no baby in there.
She's like, what the hell is this? Like, that's my friends.
It's raining. Where are they?
Right there.
Oh, there they are. Oh, they're buying something. Let's see what they're buying. What are they getting? What are they getting? What are they getting? Oh, Vietnam pizza.
How you gonna ride
Mama hen feeding all her little chicks.
Come on, girl. Let's finish this. 10 people, 1 pancake.
Good. Okay, we're all getting a massage, a foot massage. How much was it, Kim?
100. That's $5.
30 minutes each. Baby? Oh, no, baby.
No, baby.
Just popcorn.
Why you guys having foot massage?
This is from getting massages all the time.
8% foot massage party.
I think they gave you water. People. The last one done.
Doing his math right now.
Has to pay. Has to pay. Poor Edison.
That sheet though, like how much? $50.
Wait, not officially done.
Oh, wait.
Not officially done.
How's that?
It's good.
Yeah, $5.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Look.
Sit down.
Not done yet, guys.
Oh, what the? Oh. Oh, we're getting a back massage
I
too?
posted that. It's false posting.
God, I'm getting
Wait,
cooked.
this is actually $5.
Still working on my leg.
The sound of everyone getting to laugh right now.
Yeah. Come on. Who's this last?
Tiger's
last.
Tội nghiệp chị này tối ngày bị cái cửa đó.
Good luck, man.
You probably thought it was so weird that I was filming them, but it's so pretty. This is right there. Oh my god. Here we are. Eating more stuff. Behind the scenes of Chef Dimples.
Taste at the bottom.
Are you serious right now? It was at 15.
Little toasted coconut or whatever on top is good.
Yeah, the toasted coconut.
Just whatever that is.
And what else is in it?
Some sort of ice cream. Want to try it?
It was good. It's like that kind of dessert that's like not too sweet. Can we have one more bite?